I welcome you to this online math class. Today I'm going to show you or revise with you how to solve the equation behind me. Here we go. Here we have a question. The question reads, find the value of values of x. So what is the equation? The equation is 3 power 2x minus 12 in brackets 3 power x plus 27 equals to 0. When you have an equation like this one, you need to recall or remember certain basic rules of indices. So what you do, like the first term here, it is 3 power 2x. This 3 power 2x can also be written like this: 3 power 2 in brackets and an x outside. Because when you multiply 2 by x, you go back to 2x. This can also be written like this: 3 power x in brackets and a 2 outside. Again, when you multiply an x by 2, you get a 2x there. At this point, you need to go back to the equation and check which one is common between these two. So the one that is common is this one, meaning we are discarding this one. Why this one? Because this one is also here. Which means at this point, the first term will be written like this. So you have a 3 power x in brackets 2 minus 12 in brackets 3 power x plus 27 equals to 0. So what is coming out to be common at this point is a 3 raised to power x and also a 3 raised to power x there. So you introduce another condition to help you come up with the value of x there. So at this point you say, let 3 power x equals to y. You can pick any other letter to represent 3 power x apart from the x. Which means at this point, where there is 3 power x, I'm going to put a y. So here it will be y power 2 minus 12. I have a 3 power x there. I substitute, I put y plus 27 equals to 0. At this point, we have a quadratic equation. You can use any method of your choice to find the values of y for this particular quadratic equation. One of them is factorization method. You can check on one of my videos on this same YouTube channel. I talked about how to find the values or how to solve a quadratic equation. In that video, I specifically focused on the factorization method. At this point, you are going to have the product for this one. 1 here multiplied by 27, you get 27. And the sum is the coefficient of this variable y, which is negative 12. and factors, the two numbers that when you add you get a negative 12, and when you multiply you get a 27, are negative 3 and negative 9. So what you do at this point, you are going to have y squared minus 3y minus 9y, then you continue with this, plus 27 equals to 0. You factorize this. So what is common there is y. Then here you remain with y minus 3. What is common there is negative 9. Y minus 3 equals to 0. We continue. What is in brackets is the same. So it means you're going to have y minus 3 in brackets. Then here we have y minus 9 in brackets as well, equals to 0. What we are discovering now, observing at this point is these two factors, you just drop them here. If you want to understand this better, kindly watch my video that I posted previously, as I've just said. So the values of y, you are going to have 3 or 9. These are the values of y and not the values of x. Now, how do we find the values of x there? We go back to this condition where we said let 3 power x equals to y. So we say 3x equals to y, which is 3x equals to our first value of y is a 3. You put a 3 here. Now, here we are supposed to standardize. If this number was not a 3, we are going to standardize this so that it is 3 raised to power something. So in this case, it is 3x equals to 3 power 1. When the bases are the same, you just compare the indices, the powers. So it means x is going to be 1 for the first value. What about the second value, which is a 9? You say 3 power x equals to 9. We standardize this. We are going to say 3 raised to power 2, which will give you 9. Why 3? Because on the other side, we also have a 3. So this would be 3 power x equals to 3 power 2. The bases are the same. So your answer will be x equals to 2. Therefore, the values of x for that equation will be x equals to 1 or a 2. These are the answers. Now, let me make something clear here. If one of the values for y is a negative, it means it cannot be applied here. And it's not always that x will have 2 values or more. Sometimes it depends on the answers that you get here. So that you go back to this condition. So thank you very much for revising with me. and may God bless you. If you have not subscribed, I'm kindly asking that you click the subscription button so that you receive a notification whenever I upload a new lesson in form of a short video. Thank you very much and be blessed.